So I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. Earlier today, Tesla finally outlined their new premium connectivity program, essentially saying to owners, time's up, you're gonna have to start to pay for that cell service in your car. You can still use the maps, at least part of the maps without it, but if you wanna do music streaming, you wanna have access to the web browser, YouTube, Netflix, and even just use satellite maps, you're gonna have to start to pay up. So if you pay for the premium connectivity package from Tesla, which is currently $10 a month, you'll get access to basically your car's cell signal. So you can stream music, you'll have the option to stream Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube over that cell connection, and also the ability to use the web browser and have live satellite maps and traffic visualization. If you do not decide to pay that $10 a month, you get what Tesla is calling standard connectivity, which basically just gives you live maps with live navigation routing. You will not get satellite maps and you will not even get live traffic visualization. You're just going to get the bare bones standard maps with navigation, and that is it. Now, some of these features will still work on Wi-Fi, so if you don't decide to pay the $10, you can still use YouTube streaming and music streaming and other things as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. And the details are a little unclear. It seems like you can probably also use a personal hotspot in your car, but it's unclear if all these features are going to work over that hotspot or not, if you're going to have to pay the $10 to get the true premium connectivity package. So this kind of officially rolls out on January 1st, 2020, though everybody right now is on a free trial of the premium connectivity package. So according to this email from Tesla, on January 7th, your 30-day free trial ends, and you're either going to have to fork up the $10 a month, or you're going to go back down to the standard connectivity package. Also important to note that if you got your Tesla on or before June 30th, 2018, you get premium connectivity for free. No charge, you are good. But if you got your car after that, you're gonna have to pay to get those features. Again, I don't know all the specifics of this program. I'll leave the link down below to the Tesla page because I might be getting some of this stuff wrong, but this is what I know to the best of my understanding. And also, we did know this was going to come when version 10 rolled out and we got all the streaming stuff. There was some word from Tesla that this premium connectivity package pricing was going to go into effect sometime soon. We thought it was going to be around $100, so 120 isn't too out of line. $10 a month, you can cancel at any time, so it's not too bad. But there is one huge thing about this premium connectivity package that's a big deal for those of us who own the Standard Range Plus model. So if you opt to pay for the premium connectivity package, you'll notice two new buttons on the Standard Range Plus that were not there before. That's this globe icon and this little traffic light. If you tap on those things, you'll see something cool happen. Satellite maps. This was only reserved for the higher end cars, but now it is here thanks to this premium connectivity package that includes, among music streaming and web browser, the ability to do satellite maps and live traffic visualization. So if I zoom out here, I can zoom around and check out the area. This is all new thanks to this new premium connectivity package. I can turn these on and off by options here, so I can turn off satellite maps if I just want to kind of see the regular maps with live traffic, or vice versa. If I want to turn off that and just get the cool satellite view, I can do that as well. That is brand new on the Standard Range Plus. So this is kind of a small thing, but it's really cool, mainly because if I think about it, when I got my car in May of 2019, just like 6 months ago, all of these software features that I have now were reserved for the higher end trim. So there was no web browser, there was no music streaming, there wasn't any kind of live traffic visualization or satellite maps. That just wasn't a thing, and I wasn't ever expecting to get it. Now, not only do I get all those features, but Netflix, YouTube, Hulu streaming is there as well. And for $10 a month, I can justify that price to get all these features. And it's just kind of cool that all these software features that were just limited to the higher end tiers of the Model 3 are now unlocked. I basically, software speaking, have all the same features as a performance Model 3 or the long range model. Software wise, it's now basically one-to-one, which is super cool. All right, so what do you guys think of this premium connectivity package from Tesla? I think if you have a higher end car, especially the full premium interior, like a performance, paying $10 a month is just kind of stings a little bit. It's a little annoying when you already spent so much for a car that you have to fork over more money to use the features. But on the other end, for the Standard Range Plus side, at least, for me, having access to LTE over the past couple of months and using all the version 10 features really got me accustomed to being able to not have to personal hotspot for anything. So it's a little less annoying for me. But As always, curious to know what you guys have to say. Leave those comments down below. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.